Guangzhou Lock Forming Machinery is a large manufacturer of professional production, sales of HVAC duct machine and fire damper equipment. The company has two large production base, with a professional technical team, with the ability to design, develop, manufacture standard and non-standard large equipment. For many years, with its strong technology, continuous improvement, innovation, Lock becomes the leader in sheet metal processing equipment manufacturing. Main products are auto duct making line, fire damper machine, hydraulic shearer, hydraulic folder, spiral former, plasma cutting machine, TDF flange forming machine, TDC flange forming machine, lock former, shearer, folder, bender, cooling rolling forming machine. Guangzhou Lock Forming Machinery has been focusing on providing customers with stable quality, intelligent and efficient HVAC and fire damper equipment.